you fed up with trying to sandcast and pour metal and getting results like this? Holes in your pours, bad details, and just overall poor results, which makes you want to give up? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you my process of doing things so you can get some really cool looking sandcasts, silver pours, and much more. Let's dive straight in. So here's the 3D print I'm going to be using to make in my mould. Now this is a 3D print I've printed out at home and prepared, so it's ready to go. I'm just dusting it with some corn flour. Now this will just help it release from the sand so we don't get the sand stuck to it. Now the first job here is to select the right flask, get the right size, and now we're going to be putting some sand on top. Now this is special sand. This is actually casting sand, which has got oil in it, and we're sieving the first little bit here so it's nice and fine, and that ensures we get a nice crisp impression from that 3D print. And now all we're doing now is just softly pressing down, holding the print in place so it doesn't move. And all we've got to do is just keep on filling up the flask and making sure we're getting nice compacted sand so we're getting a nice crisp impression, as that'll lead to a very good silver pour in the end. This is the part doing the actual sandcast that determines how good the finished piece of art's going to be. And this is where people get it wrong all the time, so it's really important to get all the things dialed in that you can when doing the sandcast. Hopefully you're finding this quick little video tutorial useful. Actually, I've been sandcasting and silver pouring art for over 3 years now. Done hundreds, if not thousands, of successful casts, so I know what works and what doesn't. I know the little hints and tricks that can take your sandcasting and pouring to that next level. So if you're just starting out, I can give you that early boost in knowledge so you don't have to spend hours and hours searching the internet for the answers you need. I've sold my own poured silver artwork for thousands of pounds using these techniques, so I thought the time was right to share what I've learned on my journey so far. So with this in mind, I'm putting together a one-to-one mentorship program where you can work directly with me to get the results you want with sandcasting and silver pouring. I'll take you from those failed beginner pours to making cool looking silver art, which you'll be genuinely proud of and know how to repeat moving forward. Obviously the spaces are limited as I'm only one person and I can only work directly with a small number of people at any one time. So if this speaks to you, there's a link in the description below the video to join a waitlist, and if I think we're a good fit for the programme, I'll be in touch soon. point is, ladies and gentlemen, that greed, for lack of a better word, is good. Greed is right. Greed works. Greed clarifies, cuts through, and captures the essence of the evolutionary spirit. Greed in all its forms. Greed for life, for money, for love, knowledge, has marked the upward surge of mankind. And greed, you mark my words, will not only save Taldar Paper, but that other malfunctioning corporation called the USA. And don't forget, if you would like to work with me one-to-one, there's a link in the description below. Cheers for watching.